philosophical foundation. Very klaro. So, depende sa philosophy. Depende sa worldview mo. But if you go into the ideal philosophy, which is supposed to be the real, ang abstract, the higher mind, is real. Kaya hindi yan mag-disappear forever. It's the concrete which changes, which we in science, or in the field of medicine, measures. Ang ngayon, nagiging so-called unreal. Kasi bago-bago, nasaan na? The chair, where is the chair? But the idea of the chair remains. See? So, ang ibig sabihin, kung hindi mo nakita, pwede ko na ma-explain sa iyo. Hindi mo nakita. Ganito. I will explain the concept. A chair is shaped like that, wherein your buttocks could sit, could rest, even if you haven't seen it, but the idea is there. And then with the idea, you can design. Pag disenyo mo sa object or device,